The budget-friendly OnePlus Nord phone arrives on July 21. Here's what to expect. The OnePlus Nord figures to return OnePlus to its budget phone roots when it debuts in a week within a sub $500 price. But there's more to Nord than just a mid-range price. While we know that OnePlus Nord looks like there are still some other details that need to. Yes, we know that the OnePlus Nord will features 5G connectivity thanks to its Snapdragon 765G chipset, and the phone is also expected to include multi-cameras, including two selfie camera. But there's still the matters of the OnePlus Nord's price, since all OnePlus has told us is that it will cost less than a $500. The OnePlus Nord is a part of a larger effect on the phone makers' part to produce more affordable devices that still pack in some premium features, and it would not just be limited to phones. But the OnePlus Nord will be the first such product out of its gate. The OnePlus planning a virtual launch for later this month. OnePlus Nord official release date July 21 and price under $500. Display specification has 6.4-inch AMOLED 2400 by 1080p resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, CPU Snapdragon 765G, RAM 8GB RAM or 12GB RAM, storage 128GB internal storage and 256GB internal storage. Rear cameras: first camera 48 megapixel wide angle f1.75, second 8 megapixel ultra wide, and third 5 megapixel micro f2.4. Fourth camera 2 megapixel portrait mode f2.4. Front camera specification: front camera has two double camera selfie 32 megapixel f2.45 and 8 megapixel ultra wide f2.45. Batteries 4115 mAh with 30 volt charging. Security: in-display fingerprint sensor, 2D face unlock. The front and back of OnePlus Nord fully leaked early in July, and we are liking to the look of OnePlus upcoming mid-range offering. The design is a bit boxier than OnePlus 8 line, in a flat display and less rounded corner and edges on the back. The pill-shaped camera models now sits on the top left corner of the device and houses 4 lenses. There also not one but two front-facing shooter packages in a hole punch space within display as well. The left side of device is where you find the volume rocker, while the power key and OnePlus 8's signature alert slider sit on the right. The OnePlus Nord will have Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G system on a chip. That's a mid-range chip sitting below the Snapdragon 865, but it still promises solid performance for most smartphone tasks as well as 5G connectivity. Opting for this chip would allow the OnePlus Nord to join the rank of 5G phones that cost less than $600, which is expected to grow as 2020 goes on.